Hello fellows, I'm here today with another YouTube video. Today's video is about evolution of Godzilla's atomic breath, and this video was recommended to me from my son. And this is a reaction video. Before the video starts, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the bell for more new information, and leave a like there. And leave also your comments in the comment section. You can maybe send me your favorite videos that I can react to. And in the description you can find also my other social media platforms like Twitch, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram is displayed here as well. And yeah, let's start it and let's see how it is.
on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Think about others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, yeah. Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me, ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious, I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna kick.
Wow, that was amazing to see the evolution of Godzillas with the atomic breath. And there was also included some favorite Godzillas from the 80s, from the 90s, and the last one from the 2000s. King Kong versus Godzilla. This was my favorite. And if you have your own favorite Godzillas, then you can write it in the comment section, leave your comment there. And you can send me also your recommendation video, which one is your favorite video, and I can react to. And don't forget, leave a like there, turn on the bell for more new information, and subscribe to the channel. And in the description you can find also my other social media platforms like Twitch, TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram is displayed here as well. Thank you for watching, see you next time, and peace.